Hey, welcome back to my channel. The trinket bowl that we had done in the first video has finally dried. We painted the bottom in this beautiful shimmering watercolor that I've never used before on any of these pieces. And then the inside, we used a deep blue acrylic paint. It has completely dried. I would like to put some details on this. So what we're going to do today is just add a little bit of white around the edges. So I'm just going to get some paint, a paper plate. We're going to get a paintbrush. We're just going to dab it in here a little bit. And we're just going to go around the edges and just add some white touches to it, kind of like the ocean waves that you see. So we're still adding a little bit of definition, a little bit of white, makes that stand out so nice and pretty. You can go back and check out my first video. Down in the description it tells you what kind of paper mache paste that I use to do these bowls. But there we go. See the detail on that? So pretty. It turned out so nice. These bowls are, they just designed themselves. So the other trinket bowl that we did is going to be actually in a collection, a 3-part collection or 3-piece collection, and I'm going to show you that in the next video.